Once more, we Chef Rohanie, cousin Rohanie, we can say too, all the way from Guyana, and today she's gonna cook sardine fish.
Sardine fish.
And in Suriname they call it Suriname mullet, right?
Yeah.
I love this fish.
That's my favorite. Can't wait.
Yeah. And Rohanie gonna cook this sardine fish or Suriname mullet for us. And we have our ingredients.
All right, so let's start.
And let's start some cooking. And this is the stoves that we're gonna cook the fish on. Is an electric stove. I will use this pan.
This is the masala.
She's gonna make the curry paste.
This is curry powder.
Curry powder.
This is paprika.
My favorite seasoning.
Davy can't cook without paprika. No paprika, no cook.
Garlic. Smash of garlic. Everything.
This chef cooks really nice. Enjoy all her food so far.
There's onion.
And we do have a sardine fish curry or a Suriname mullet curry.
Mullet.
We cook it different. Rohanie cook her different. Actually, Rohanie
Yeah.
cook Guyana style
Yeah.
or Suriname style. Because if I didn't mention the word Suriname, she'll get upset with me. And she's gonna add some shallot.
You want
Yeah.
it.
And there is a hot weary there. You can see it? Wow. And also Rohanie adds some tomato paste
paste.
to give it that beautiful rich red color. And we have some green mango also. Guyana style. You love to cook a green mango.
Yeah. So that cut the mango, put it here. You can put it big. And this fish sauce.
It's done quick.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, Chef Rohanie ready to chunk in this curry now.
Time. Wow.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this curry piece. Nice, beautiful. Guyana style, Suriname style, Caribbean style,
Canada style.
Canada style. Wherever you go and you find Guyanese people, this is the style of cooking. Guyanese people can really cook. No doubt about that.
Barbician can cook.
Barbician. Barbies cooking. Barbician cooking.
And so we find all the nice girls then.
Okay, here we go.
Now chef is adding the
Mullet.
the sardine
Sardine.
Suriname mullet.
with the green mango.
Add some salt for the taste. Chef Rohanie gonna add some water. Now this is not Chef Rohanie. This is Chef Davy. Some green onion for the garnishing. And here we have sardine fish curry, sarna mullet curry, whatever you want to call it, fine fish curry, any curry you want. Curry is curry. We put a lid on it and we let the fish steam for a couple of minutes and we're ready to eat.
Very nice.
Wow, look at this. Look at the beauty of the sardine fish. Nice, beautiful.